Welcome back, everybody, to another exciting episode of Pauly G's Barbecue. Today we're doing chicken wings, as you can see, either from the video title or from just looking right here. Today we're doing two different types of rubs on them. We've got the Southwestern Griller Monsoon Magic, and then we've also got from the same company, Devil's Apple. I'm not being paid to endorse them in any way, shape, or form, but they have been really good friends of the barbecue community to me and to a lot of other people, so I figured I'd show off their products because I think they have pretty quality. So stick around for the ending of the video, as I'll do a full kind of rundown of what each of them tastes like. I think they have like 11 different seasonings. I also have another one inside. It's like a little bit of a sample one, but I'm not using them for, what's it called? For wings. I'm gonna use it for something really cool, which I think you'll end up seeing on my Instagram page. So yeah, let's get to it. As you noticed, I'm using the smaller one, which was probably, or the smaller cutting board, I should say, which might be a, I'm gonna actually put these back, an issue because I probably needed the extra space this time, but you know, we're just gonna kind of go over these nice and awesomely. Yeah, this isn't working at all. So, and I kind of rub that in. Yeah, everything I do seems to not be working. All right. So I guess we're gonna go a lot heavier on these. Firmly coat all of it. And unlike the ribs, we're going to coat both sides because you will be eating both sides, obviously. Ooh, maybe a little much. Alright, so that's good for the first few. Let's move on to the next, which I guess I'm gonna be of covering in both seasonings, but oh well. Alright, so I did a terrible job here, but you know, they're covered. Just kind of go over these a little bit more. Make sure full coverage, and yeah. So they're going on at 300 for about 2 hours, probably a little bit less, but yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so here are the wings going on. And we'll see you in a couple hours. Alright, so we finished cooking. I may or may not have forgotten to show me pulling them off and checking them, but they are temped. I actually temped them this time because it is chicken and it should be checked. But yeah, I'm going to do a full kind of review of each of these rubs, as you can see. And yeah, so let's get to it. Start with the Monsoon Magic. Do a sauceless check first. Ooh, did pretty good on the skin. Pretty good, pretty good. And now, do the Devil's Apple. And, I mean, wow. Okay, I definitely got those mixed up. This one is the Monsoon Magic, and this one is the Devil's Apple. And I definitely like this one more. But how can you test wings without any sauce? Even better. Devil's Apple with a little bit of the Pauly G's regular barbecue sauce, original stuff. Both of these rubs are absolutely fantastic, and I highly recommend them. I'll leave a link in the description below. Alright, finished. Wings taste delicious. Thank you for tuning in again to another episode of Pauly G's Barbecue on YouTube. Not sure what to say. I hope you enjoy the next few videos that are coming out. Still, podcast is open if anybody wants to join. You'll just have to email us or shoot us a message on any of our social medias. But until next time.